Defendant Hunter Shen, rape charges dismissed. Insufficient. Plaintiff Mia Chen, charged with prostitution and extortion. Fined $3,000 for both crimes. Either party may appeal this verdict by appealing to our court or a higher court. Cut it.
Bullshit! Total bullshit. My daughter's the victim. Why is she being sentenced? How's this fair?
Stop acting innocent when you're selling yourself.
Selling drinks. She just sells drinks. Her body. Are you slut-shaming her for bartending?
Women working in bars, definitely not respectable. Bet she slept with cutlers.
Lies! She only serves drinks there!
Does that make her loose? Does that make her some whore? Stop projecting your filth onto others. Cut the act.
Fake being drunk to hook rich Chen Hao. When he rejected her, she cried, "Rape! Classic hypocrite!"
Shut the fuck up. My daughter's not like that.
Face the truth. If you sell it, don't complain when people talk.
Yeah, ignore them. We'll appeal. I'll protect you.
Protect me? Robert Chen? Why fake concern after taking Hunter Shen's bribe?
They to protect me.
But Chen,
You make me sick.
Today, Hunter Shen's rape case was finally decided. Mia Chen went to a bar to sell alcohol and met Hunter Shen, a rich heir who asked her to drink with him. At the bar, they held hands, embraced, and became intimate. Afterwards, Mia Chen accused Hunter Shen of rape. Was she truly violated? Or just moral corruption? Trying to extort him? Opinions remain divided.
Attorney Chen, some say your daughter sells alcohol at bars to hook up with wealthy heirs. Hopes of marrying, and what's your take on this? Some say your daughter lures customers into prostitution to pay for your medical bills. Is this true?
Everyone, please stop attacking Miss Chen. Ms. Chen is desperate to save her father. Many things happen for a reason. Please try to understand others' hardships.
Shut your mouth. My daughter isn't like that. Just simply working as a bartender. Mean? A girl has loose morals. She only drank with clients a few times. Does entertaining clients with drinks necessarily mean she consented to... We're poor, yes. Does poverty mean we're forced to use... Mia.
Mia, you scared me to death! Folks, the victim in Hunter Shen's rape case, Mia Chen, just jumped off a building. Is this a silent protest against the court or against Hunter Shen? Stop filming! Stop it! Stop! It's all your fault. You heartless monsters killed Mia. That camera away!
Poor girl, so young. Just bartending for money, how did this happen?
But women shouldn't go to such places.
What's that supposed to mean? So women shouldn't work in bars? Get with the times. Life is complicated. Who really knows?
Exactly. Fly with dogs, get fleas. Sometimes innocence gets tainted. The truth's a mystery here.
Cello, emergency? We have a jumper. Front of the courthouse. Hurry!
Uncle Chen, relax. The doctor said Mia only has superficial wounds. She's stable.
Damn! What a tough broad. Surviving that jump. Unbelievable.
You're not welcome here. Get out!
Zoe, let him in.
Hunter Shen, you won the lawsuit, but don't get cocky. Mark my words, karma's real for scumbags like you. You'll be punished someday.
Lawyer Chen, was that a threat just now?
Mia Chen's situation wasn't my doing, but I'll take responsibility. This card has 500k for Mia's medical bills. Consider the extra cash grocery money for her.
You bastard. You hurt Mia, and now you're putting on this act.
Hey, little girl, watch your mouth. I didn't touch her.
Oh, I'm innocent.
Still pretending here.
Hey, little girl. Listen up.
Mia Chen's situation. Not my concern.
If you insist on framing me,
That's your problem. I came today to settle this peacefully. A messy fight. Benefits.
Are you threatening us?
Threaten is too strong. Just a friendly reminder. I visited her. Hope you'll be smart about this. Otherwise, I wouldn't mind having some fun with you all.
Hey, you...
Hunter Shen, if you're done, get out immediately. Mia needs rest.
Oh, before it's... Lawyer Chen. I turned on some electronic jammers when I came in. So... Looks like your gadgets are probably all busted.
Uncle, don't worry. We will definitely find the evidence.
I believe the law is sacred. It's fair, and absolutely shouldn't be a tool for evil. Besides, Mia is waiting for me.
Uncle, stay here with Mia. I need to step out.
No matter how powerful the Shen family is, they can't erase every trace. There must be evidence I haven't found.
Hi, I'd like to ask about June 30th evening.
Did you wait on Hunter Shen's table?
Hello. I want to ask about June 30th night.
You witnessed what happened at Hunter Shen's table, right?
Please, I beg you, help me. If you're willing to testify in court,
I'll repay you any way I can. Please, will you help me? I truly have no other way, I'm begging you. Help me, please. Help me. Come on, I'll help you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mia, I feel your dad truly loves you. Mia, can you tell me what really happened? Why do you hate Uncle so much?
Mr. Chen, there's 200,000 in this card. Use the rest to buy some supplements for Uncle.
Child, I can't take your money.
Mr. Chen, don't be polite with me. It's what Junior should do. Haha.
Bobby, obviously Shen Hao staged that for you to see. He knew you were outside the door. Mia, hurry to your dad. He truly needs you now.
You disgrace! You've shamed the entire Shen family!
Just a lawsuit.
Our Shen family doesn't fear this.
You have no idea! Our stocks have plummeted because of this mess!
Did you mistake the courtroom for our family mall?
You can do whatever you want!
Dad, relax. I've made arrangements.
Do you know that undefeated Zhou?
Undefeated what? You mean the undefeated legend in the legal world?
Lian Zhou?
Yeah, that's him. We'll live stream this trial globally. With Julie and Zhou's help, we'll win this case. Then our family status and stock value will also rise.
Having lawyer Zhou here is truly an honor.
Mr. Shen, before I accept your family's request, I must ask you something.
Go ahead.
Did you really not rape Mia Chen?
This matter.
Hunter.
I am now asking Mr. Hunter Shen.
I admit, I did have sex with Mia Chen, but I didn't rape her.
So she consented when you had sex? You didn't use any force?
Yes, but I'm afraid they might get someone to fake evidence.
Didn't you say you never raped her? How could there be evidence?
Right! I didn't rape her. I'm afraid they'll hire someone to create false evidence.
Don't worry. Court is my battlefield. If they present false testimony, it's illegal.
Lawyer Zhou, so you agree?
Robert Chen isn't well known in legal circles, but I know well, it can't be under to face off against him. So is this case tough for us to win? Are you questioning me?
No, with Lawyer Zhou handling it, it's foolproof. Very good.
See you in court.
Lawyer Zhou, for this trial, I want a global live broadcast. So those who dream up tricks.
No, the consul. For a private case like this, if we go public, we need the other party's consent. But Mr. Shen, you need to brace yourself.
Huh? What preparation?
Mr. Shen is the defendant. By law, he has to stay in detention.
Uncle, did you find it?
Mia, I'm sorry. Dad messed up.
No key evidence found.
I'm fine, Dad. Sit down. Don't worry, we'll find it.
I'm the driver who saw your daughter leave the hotel that night.
To be honest, I didn't want to testify in court.
But seeing how hard you're fighting to protect your daughter,
It really moved me. So, I'll help. Thank you. Really, thank you so much. Look, I brought 2 more people with me.
Sir, I'm willing to testify for you. I was scared the Shen family would come after me. But seeing how tirelessly you've gathered evidence for your daughter, I want to contribute too.
Thanks for calling, Uncle. I hope we can really help.
we'll head out now. Thank you all.
We appreciate it.
Uncle, with so many witnesses now, we're sure to win this case.
It's not that simple.
Dad, what do you mean?
Mia, Zoe, these are just circumstantial evidence. They only prove Hunter Shen was intimate with you. But can't confirm he raped you.
What's
Meaning, we need more direct evidence and witnesses.
But this is all we found. Where else could we look?
Trust me, Mia. There's always a way. Shen Hao called this morning about a live stream for the retrial. What's your take? If you're uncomfortable, I'll do it, Shunpiti.
Mia,
A live stream means facing everyone. If we lose... I know, but Dad...
you always tell me the law is fair, that it's sacred, right? I just want to use this case to show everyone that the law isn't some tool for bossing people around. It's supposed to be our shield, protecting regular folks. Dad, don't worry. Even if I lose this case, I won't do anything stupid again.
All right, Mia. Dad believes you. Okay then, I'll reply to them for you. But right now, what we really need is key evidence. It's hard to find. I know.
Really?
All right, Uncle. Mia, who said we don't have any key evidence?
Ms. Mia Chen, the defendant asked for a live broadcast of the trial. I heard you agreed too. Confident about winning this case?
Everyone, trust the law. It won't let any criminal escape. A fair judgment. Yeah. Robert. Long time. No, see? Julian, it's you.
So it's Undefeated Joe, the legendary lawyer. Hunter Shen actually hired him as defense counsel?
How could it be him? Last time Hunter Shen's lawyer was experienced, but
it's not Undefeated Joe. Julian, I didn't expect to meet you here.
Let's go.
Facing Undefeated Joe, even if Chen Xiaoya truly was assaulted, getting justice seems impossible.
What's so special about Undefeated? If Hunter Shen really assaulted her, Robert Chan might still win though? No matter how good a lawyer is, they can't twist the truth, right?
Exactly! Come on, let's go.
Unbelievable. Hunter Shen hired Undefeated Joe as his lawyer, Memia. This will be a tough fight.
All right, court is now in session.
With the suspect Hunter Shen. Prosecutor, read the indictment.
Before reading the indictment, everyone must believe me. My client, my daughter Mia Chen, and I absolutely aren't trying to grab attention. We solely want this case to show everyone that the law is sacred and fair, not a tool for some to control everything.
He objects.
The plaintiff's lawyer's statements have no bearing on the facts of the case. They only incite everyone here in the audience watching. This could have a bad effect. So I demand the plaintiff's lawyer immediately stop this meaningless incitement.
Exactly. Does she know where she is? Trying to stir emotions here? Am I right?
We're in the court.
Plaintiff's lawyer, read the indictment.
On June 30, 2024, victim Mia Chen was selling drinks at a bar. The defendant Hunter Shen forcibly demanded she drink with him. Later, Hunter Shen took advantage of my client's drunken state. While she was unconscious, brought her to his residence. And had sex without her consent. Therefore, we believe defendant Hunter Shen committed rape. We request the court sentence him to a corresponding prison term. Also, pay my client $300,000 for emotional distress.
Defendant, regarding the plaintiff's accusations, please state your testimony truthfully.
Honorable Judge, I admit I did have sex with Mia Chen.
But she was willing then.
After the so-called rape, Miss Mia Chen demanded money from me. I believe this constitutes prostitution extortion, so I refused to pay.
But Miss Mia Chen said she needed it for her father's medical bills. She made me pay the fees.
I didn't agree. Then Miss Mia Chen accused me of rape.
I understand Miss Chen's desperation to save her father, but this behavior and so-called rape won't accept it.
Plaintiff's lawyer, do you have evidence for your claim?
His daughter seduced my son. What proof is there?
Good evidence. And my evidence was carefully collected by me, especially my key witness. They will convict Hunter Shen. This is my first witness, Mr. Liu Liu. Your Honor, I formally request to submit my evidence.
Request approved. Both sides can now present and question evidence.
This is my client, Ms. Mia Chen's co-worker at the bar. Mr. Liu Liu, a bartender at Drunkard's Heart Pub. He witnessed everything that happened that night. Objection! Claiming a witness knows everything is pure speculation. It has no legal effect.
Who knows if he's that pretty boy your daughter's keeping? Maybe they cooked up fake testimony together.
Objection. The defendant's family is making defamatory accusations meant to incite emotional bias. Your Honor, I demand the defendant's family cease these baseless attacks against my client.
Defendant's family, watch your words.
Mr. Liu Liu, do you know my client, Miss Mia Chen?
Yes.
Do you know the defendant?
Hunter Shen of the Shen family. On June 30th night, 2024.
You worked at Drunkard's Heart Pub, right?
Yes, sir.
Then please recall, did my client, Ms. Mia Chen, have any inappropriate behavior with defendant Hunter Shen that night? Did my client, Mia Chen, have intimate contact with the defendant, Hunter Shen?
Hi. Plaintiff's witness. Why are you being evasive? I can't afford to provoke the Shen family. Dare.
Silence.
Mr. Liu Liu, you can speak freely. This is a courtroom.
It keeps you safe.
That night, Hunter Shen and his friends came to the bar to drink. It just happened to be when Mia Chen was selling wine. At that time...
That's not Mia Chen.
Didn't expect her to sell drinks here. Who cares about some skank? Tonight is young Master Shen's party. Cheers.
Later, Mia went over to drink with them. Soon after, she got drunk.
Then, she was taken out of the bar.
Defense counsel, do you object to the witness testimony?
Yes. Plaintiff's witness. You stated that Ms. Mia Chen was invited to drink by Hunter Shen's friends.
Did Miss Chen resist at that time?
Not really. Well, she did hesitate briefly, but she eventually joined them.
So you're saying Miss Mia Chen voluntarily accepted their invitation?
Is that correct? Yes. Now, did my client, Mr. Hunter Shen, force himself on Miss Chen in any way?
By then, Mia Chen was drunk, and they were touching her inappropriately.
My question is, did Hunter Shen specifically force Miss Chen?
No.
Good. Your Honor, I'm done. The facts are clear to all now.
My client asked Miss Mia Chen to join for drinks. She went voluntarily.
No, I didn't want to.
Plaintiff, do you have anything to say regarding the defense attorney's questioning?
Hunter Shen's friend invited me for drinks then. I didn't want to go.
Then why didn't you refuse or fight back?
The bar owner letting me work part-time selling drinks was already a huge favor. Besides, Hunter Shen and his friends were paying customers at the bar. The bar owner warned me to try not to offend customers. That's where I went. I thought it would just be a few drinks. I just never expect.
Ha! Who goes to hostess gigs for just a few drinks? Couldn't find a better excuse.
Agreed to hostess drinking, but thought she could just leave easily? Bet she's just doing it for the money, trading her body for cash. Maybe planning to marry into wealth later.
If she didn't want to go, who could force her?
Great, another gold digger chasing status. Bar owner, you saw what happened.
How can you be sure she was really drunk?
I can't be certain, but Miss Mia Chen had a flushed face at the time. Her eyes were unfocused and she swayed slightly. She was calling out her ex-boyfriend's name.
How can you be so sure this wasn't all an act by Mia Chen? Just to catch my client, Mr. Shen Hao's attention?
Objection! The defense counsel's claims are purely speculative and irrelevant to this case. No, it's highly relevant because no one can prove whether
Ms. Mia Chen's actions were deliberate or unconscious at that time. In other words, whether Ms. Chen was acting voluntarily or involuntarily remains unverifiable.
Protest is overruled. The defendant may proceed.
So may I ask, how can you be so sure that Ms. Mia Chen was really drunk?
I can't be sure, but I felt she was clearly wasted.
Thanks for your testimony, but feelings don't hold any legal weight and can't be used as evidence.
I saw that wine cellar girl sitting reluctantly at Hunter Shen's table, drinking. But soon after, she was obviously drunk. She was hanging onto the guy next to her, holding hands, and folks were egging them on. Even water. They even said the girl's so hot. Why not let everyone in the bar get off together?
Defense attorney, any comments?
You just said you saw someone suggest publicly to do something wrong to Ms. Mia Chen. Did my client suggest it? No, then my client agrees to his friend's proposal. Or rather, what did he do publicly?
But he didn't stop them. He said the girl was so sexy. Beautiful, he couldn't resist. Even if it happened, it wouldn't be a...
So you mean my client, Mr. Hunter Shen, didn't do anything to Ms. Mia Chen, right?
Yes, but later they took the girl away. That was definitely...
What they meant is just your own guess. Sorry, like I said before, baseless guesses. Don't prove anything. Next question. You stated that on that day, my client, Mr. Hunter Shen, said Miss Mia Chen was sexy, beautiful, and irresistible. Do you think Miss Mia Chen was attractive then? Answer my question.
Objection! This question has nothing to do with the case. It does.
Miss Mia Chen's charm is undeniable. It's where this whole thing started. Plaintiff's witness, do you believe? Ms. Mia Chen was sexy, beautiful, and could drive men wild.
Plaintiff's witness, please answer this question.
Excellent! Ms. Mia Chen possesses tremendous charm. In other words, she's alluring to many men. My client, Mr. Hunter Shen, merely voiced what many men secretly think. Yet he committed no inappropriate acts. Such remarks may invite moral criticism, but they aren't criminal.
Exactly. Your daughter dresses so provocatively. Was she deliberately seducing my son?
Stop talking nonsense! Just because Mia Chen is beautiful, she deserved to be raped by your son? Deserves to be bullied.
Being beautiful isn't wrong, but tempting others is not okay.
Let me repeat, Mia Chen never seduced anyone. Why not admit your son couldn't control himself and lusted after her beauty?
Exactly, we girls have every right to look beautiful. How we dress doesn't imply anything. Girls got a point there.
Things are so messed up these days. Who can make sense of it all?
Really be doing this?
Mr. Mike Wang, you said earlier that on June 30th evening, you witnessed my client, Miss Mia Chen, in an intoxicated state, helped into a hotel by Hunter Shen. Half an hour later, Ms. Mia Chen ran out crying. Yes, can you describe what happened?
I had just finished a ride and was waiting by the road for the next one. Then you see it.
I want to go.
Exactly like that. Then the girl, she ran out into the shadows and disappeared.
You said earlier that you saw my client assisting. Ms. Mia Chen entered the hotel.
Yes.
So, where were you after they went up?
Of course I'm in my car.
In other words, after my client and Ms. Mia Chen entered the hotel, what exactly they did inside? You have no knowledge of.
Correct.
Next question. When you saw Ms. Mia Chen with disheveled clothing run out, why didn't you call the police?
I should have called the police.
Also, why you didn't report it?
I was thinking, maybe Miss Chen had fallen down accidentally. That might be why she was crying.
Great. Your guess is exactly like mine. Your Honor, as this gentleman stated, Miss Mia Chen might have stumbled and fallen. Made her run out crying, clothes messy. If that counts as rape, then every one of us, from childhood to adulthood, must have been raped many times without knowing.
No wonder you're called the undefeated champion in law.
That may be true, but facts are facts.
Do you think Mia Chen was actually raped?
Who knows? Maybe it's all a publicity stunt for attention.
Let's face it, women these days all have their tricks and schemes.
Attorney Chen, did you hear what Attorney Zhou said?
Maybe your daughter just tripped and tore her own clothes. My son didn't touch your daughter. Even if he did touch her, it's because your daughter is acting like a slut to seduce him. She tried to use this to marry into our Shen family. Make this clear.
Why is Sam Shen like this? Does he think everyone's chasing status like that?
I can't judge everyone the same, but this Mia Chen probably... Why else would she work at a bar, paying Dad's medical bills? Please. She was clearly there to dig for gold.
Stop talking nonsense. Mia Chen's nothing like that. You all have twisted minds. Don't assume the worst in us.
Alright, let's...
Uncle and Mia, keep going.
Don't be scared, Mia. Remember what I said? Those witnesses meant well, but it's all circumstantial. Attorney Zhou's points were crucial, though.
But don't forget, we defendants still have
Our star witness.
You bastard! You actually showed up to testify.
Uncle Mia, who said we don't have crucial evidence?
Come in.
Thomas Lin. You ASAP.
I know all about your situation in the news. I'll testify in court. I know exactly how Hunter Shen hurt you. With me as a witness, we'll bring him to justice.
So what do you want?
Why help us?
Do I need a reason? Absolutely.
You and Hunter Shen were close friends for years. Suddenly switching sides? Hard not to question your motives. If you flipped during the trial, that'd be disastrous for us.
What's this?
Where's my daughter?
Thomas Lin. What happened?
Hunter Shen hurt more than just you. I agreed to take the blame for him. He promised he'd care for my girl. Never thought he'd stage a car crash. My daughter. I admit I'm no saint, but at least I'm still a father. If you trust me, we'll meet in court.
Hunter said he didn't rape Mia Chen. Then why fear Lin Dao's accusation so much?
Lawyer Zhou, this Thomas Lin has been my close friend for years. If he deliberately gives false testimony in court, it might sway the judge and jury against us. In that case, it would be very unfavorable for our trial.
Don't worry about this, Hunter. False testimony remains false. The law is sacred and just. Hunter, don't you trust me? If so, the Shen family should find someone else.
Lawyer Zhou, wait. My son absolutely trusts your expertise. We invited you here to accompany him to persuade Lin Dao in prison. After all, perjury is illegal.
Very well. I'll accompany Hunter.
Hunter Shen! How dare you show your face?
Thomas Lin, We're brothers, after all these years.
I've always been so good to you. Don't you feel disgusted saying that?
I know you hate me, but I don't want to deal with your daughter.
You dare say that? I entrusted her to you.
I never expected you to treat her as your own.
But why stage that car crash? She was only 5.
She didn't understand anything.
Your hatred is justified. But don't commit perjury over it.
That'll only increase your sentence. Perjury?
Hunter Shen, you clearly know if it's perjury or truth.
Never thought you actually hate me. This much.
All these years I thought you were my brother. You should be an actor.
Such a wasted talent, really.
There's something you don't know yet. This man next to me is known as Zhou the Undefeated in legal circles.
Attorney Zhou the Undefeated. With him here, do you really think?
Will I lose? I just don't want to see you misunderstand me because of your misunderstanding about me.
Cut the fake sincerity. For the dirty deeds you've done,
Payback will come. Zhou the Undefeated, some legend. Just riding on connections and fame, if you ask me. Overrated.
Thomas Lin, I get your hatred for me, but why drag Attorney Zhou into this?
The great Zhou the Undefeated can't even tell a villain from good people! Isn't that just hype? Hunter Shen, see you in court.
Isn't that the guy who's always trailing after Hunter Shen? Why is he here?
He's standing at the plaintiff's witness stand. Is he testifying for Mia Chen?
Never thought it'd be him. He's actually willing to testify for Mia Chen?
Something's fishy for sure. Either Mia Chen bribed him, he's about to betray, help Hunter Shen deal with Mia Chen.
Allow me to introduce Mr. Thomas Lin. He's been close friends with defendant Hunter Shen for years. He knows a lot about Hunter Shen, including the defendant's entire rape process against my client, Ms. Mia Chen. Therefore, Mr. Thomas Lin's testimony will become the most direct evidence against defendant Hunter Shen. Key to conviction.
I object. As I understand, there's a misunderstanding between Mr. Thomas Lin and my client. So there's suspicion of perjury, and their relationship isn't ordinary. He's also unfit to test. Mr. Thomas Lin and Hunter Shen are just good friends. No blood relation, nor distant relatives. Defense attorney, what special relationship do you mean? What makes it special?
Because this guy's daughter died in an accident, and he blamed my son for it all. You paid him to lie and blame my son!
Objection! The defendant's family claims Mr. Thomas Lin was bribed by my client Ms. Mia Chen to commit perjury. This is pure speculation and slander. I demand they immediately stop defaming my client and witness. Otherwise, we reserve the right to file a libel lawsuit.
You asshole.
Defendant's family, control your emotions and words.
Dad, can we really trust this? Thomas Lin?
What if he changes sides suddenly?
Right now, trusting him is our only option.
Mr. Thomas Lin, perjury in court is illegal. Do you swear everything you say is true?
Yes. I take full responsibility for my testimony. Every word is true.
Good. How long have you known the defendant? What's your relationship?
We've known each other for years. As for our relationship, outsiders see us as close friends. But in Hunter Shen's eyes, he just saw me as a sidekick. To put it bluntly, I was his dog.
Being our dog is your luck.
Mr. Thomas Lin, defendant Hunter Shen, the entire process of him assaulting our client, Mia Chen.
Are you clear on all of it? Treated me like a dog, so he didn't hide anything from me.
Can you describe exactly what happened?
That night, Hunter Shen won a racing competition. He called me and a few friends to Drunkard's Heart Pub for drinks. Coincidentally, Mia Chen was selling drinks there. After seeing her, he said he was very interested in Mia Chen.
Isn't that Mia Chen? Didn't expect her to sell drinks here.
Why care about some useless woman?
Today is young Master Shen's big day.
Drink up.
I object! Whether someone's interested in whom, only the person himself knows. Others can't just assume how he feels.
Mr. Thomas Lin, do you have evidence to prove? Hunter Shen was interested in my client.
In front of us, Hunter Shen said, without shame, Mia Chen is pretty and sexy. He even what? He even said he'd find a chance tonight to tear her clothes off. Wanted to enjoy seeing her pinned under him.
Beast!
Then what? Then he raped Mia Chen when she was drunk. Beast!
Could you describe
the specifics? He got our friends to call Mia Chen over. Signaled at us to take turns getting her drunk. Soon she was wasted. She seemed to mistake Hunter Shen for her ex. Kept calling his name. Hunter Shen said his chance had come. Wants to have fun with her first. Finally, I drove him to a temporary apartment. Waited for him by the door. He entered and raped Mia Chen.
Hunter Shen is such a beast! Well, maybe not necessarily. Who knows if Mia Chen did it willingly? At this point, what willingly are we talking about? If she were truly willing, would things have come to this?
Hunter Shen is shameless. Exactly, he thinks money lets him do whatever he wants. People like him should be locked up forever.
Did you see everything yourself? Yes, I followed him the whole time.
Thank you. Your Honor, these are the most direct testimonies. The crimes committed by defendant Hunter Shen against my client, Mia Chen, and the harm inflicted cannot simply be described as appalling.
I believe this case leaves no room for doubt. Therefore, we strongly request
the defendant, Hunter Shen, will be tried by law.
Bullshit! You clearly conspired to give false testimony and frame me!
Defendant, control your emotions.
I'm sorry. I just feel the court is sacred. It shouldn't tolerate false testimonies. And those who deceive and disregard the law.
Defense counsel, do you question the witness's testimony?
Absolutely.
Proceed with questioning.
Mr. Lin, you claimed you witnessed my client rape Ms. Mia Chen. You saw everything? But earlier, you also said before the alleged rape, he told you to wait outside. That contradicts your statement about witnessing everything.
But outside, I heard Miss Chen's screams and cries, along with Hunter Shen cursing. Anyone with common sense could tell what was happening inside.
Really? How come I never thought of that? You just said you heard Miss Mia Chen yelling and crying. And Mr. Hunter Shen cursing. Maybe. Could it be some kind of private thing between those two? Or maybe Miss Mia Chen was just trying to play along with my client, Mr. Hunter Shen?
No way. Mia Chen was obviously forced. There's no way she was playing along.
Whether Mia Chen was forced or not, I'm not sure. Because there's a possibility that Ms. Mia Chen wasn't even drunk, but actively and willingly engaged in intense sexual relations with my client to achieve her own goal. Like asking Hunter Shen for money to pay her father's medical bills, or marrying into wealth. What the defense lawyer said is pure subjective speculation.
aimed at inciting the crowd, planting malicious assumptions about my client. Mr. Lin's claim about Mia Chen being raped is just a subconscious guess, based on sounds. The fact is, Mr. Lin's testimony only proves my client did have intense sex with Miss Mia Chen. But that doesn't mean it was rape. So I asked the plaintiff's lawyer, where's your direct evidence she was raped?
With lawyer Zhou as my defender, how dare you and that bitch try to take me down?
Zhou, the invincible, is amazing!
How can I sue? Your Honor, this case is tangled. I request a trial delay.
Hey, why delay? You trying to find false testimony? To frame my son? With lawyer Zhou around, no matter how much fake evidence you find, you can't frame my son.
Plaintiff requests trial delay. Does the defense agree?
We agree.
Hey, why agree?
Lawyer Zhou, we've got the upper hand. We should push harder to get the court to clear my son.
Mr. Sam Shen, although plaintiff has no proof Hunter raped Mia Chen, that doesn't mean he's innocent. Dragging this out hurts us more. And like I said before, you just need to trust me unconditionally.
Defense, confirm if you agree to delay.
All right, agreed.
Since both sides agreed to postpone the hearing, this court is now adjourned for the time being.
Why did the trial get postponed out of the blue? My guess?
That Robert Chen's run out of tricks. After all, he's up against lawyer Zhou, that unbeatable legend in the legal world. He's done well to last this long.
Doesn't seem like this trial will have any big surprises. Robert Chen's got guts challenging lawyer Zhou like this. He's practically asking for death.
Don't speak like that. The verdict's not in yet. Hunter Shen totally raped Mia Chen. That Julian Zhou's unbelievable. Defending scum like Hunter Shen? That's helping evil.
What do you expect? The Shen family's loaded. Nobody crosses them lightly. Only way Robert Chen wins is if he finds rock-solid evidence. Otherwise, this case is basically a done deal.
Who knew lawyer Zhou was this tough, living up to his unbeatable reputation? Uncle, can we still win this?
The odds are against us. Only 3 days left before the final hearing. We need stronger evidence in the next 3 days. Otherwise, where else could we find better evidence?
Thought Thomas Lin's testimony would get Hunter Shen convicted.
We'll keep looking. I still believe there's always a way.
Who left a USB drive outside? Mia, Uncle Robert, did you drop this outside? Why is there a video of Mia being raped by Hunter Shen? Could Thomas Lin have filmed this?
No, according to Thomas Lin. He was outside the door then, judging by the camera angle. The showman was likely outside the window.
Dad, can this video be used as evidence?
Of course, it's direct evidence. Zoe, Mia, go check who left this USB drive. By the door. They must know who filmed this video. If we could get the filmer to testify in court, it'd be huge for our case.
Uncle, keep the USB safe. Mia, come on, let's chase after them. Hurry! Don't rush, Mrs. Lee. Hey, Mrs. Lee, did you see a stranger pass by here? Yes, just saw a stranger. Some guy over there. Wait, sir! Mia, this way. Sir, alas.
Never thought you'd track me down like this.
I'm sorry, sir, but I have to ask you. The video in the USB flash drive...
Taken by me.
Really? Did you really take this photo?
3 months ago, a friend of mine left his drone with me. Honestly, I was curious, so that night... Back then, I just found it interesting. Figured I'd record for fun. Didn't expect. Later, I tried deleting it. I knew it was voyeurism, invading privacy. But I tried for hours and couldn't delete it. Eventually just dropped it. Who knew when you sued the Shen heir? I thought this evidence could help. That's why I sent it.
Sasa, if you knew Hunter Shen was raping Mia,
Why didn't you call the police at that time?
how would I know? I thought they were lovers messing around. Or a married couple fighting. Didn't want to meddle in others' private business.
But he's not at fault here. Sir, since you admitted filming it, will you testify in court?
No, I won't testify.
why? You're a key witness. Uncle Chen said if you testify this lawsuit, we definitely win.
Haven't introduced myself. I'm Dr. Arthur Yang, a locally known physician here in River City. Your trial is nationally televised. If people learn I filmed that footage, they'll think I'm a voyeur. Leaking someone's privacy. How am I even supposed to stay in the hospital now? Besides, I'm about to get married. If my fiancée, if her family finds out, what will they think of me? Sorry, I can't agree.
Can you explain this matter? It's entirely a coincidence. I can help explain too.
Would you believe it? It was pure coincidence that we captured such crucial evidence. Do people really think this is just a coincidence? Even if others believe this involves young Master Shen, I can't afford to offend. And as I've said, this constitutes an act of infringing upon others' privacy rights. I'm a doctor. I don't want any blemishes. Professional history.
Dr. Yang, please, I'm begging you. Help me, I really need your help. I'm begging you. Right, Dr. Yang.
If I didn't want to help you, I wouldn't have given you the USB drive. I also have my own difficulties. I hope you can understand.
Dr. Yang!
So Dr. Yang shot that footage. No wonder he refuses to testify.
Some doctor. Heartless to ignore it.
Wait, don't say that. He isn't obligated to testify. For us in court, getting the USB from him is already a huge help.
Mia's right. Dr. Yang has his own constraints.
But Uncle, without Dr. Young testifying, do we still have any chance of winning?
With this video against any normal lawyer, I'm 100% certain we can win this case. But against my friend, undefeated Zhou, only 70% confidence.
Dad, it's good enough. I believe justice will prevail. Both heavens and the courts. We will win.
Plaintiff's lawyer, do you have new evidence for the court?
What other evidence is there? Even Thomas Lin's testimony, which you all planned together. Can't charge my son. You should give up. Maybe I can even plead with the court on your behalf.
Still have evidence.
How could there be a video?
Whoa, there's actually a video. Now we've got witnesses and evidence. How can lawyer Zhou argue now?
This Robert Chen is something else. He got the video of his daughter being raped. How did he find it?
Didn't expect the father and daughter to be so gutsy. They live streamed this video.
They're forced into it. If they lose this lawsuit, they'll look worse. What's next, Epsilon?
Now what do you have to say?
Order in the court. Defense counsel, do you have any objections to this evidence?
Lawyer Zhou, what are you doing? Come on, refute it.
I'm telling you, this trial isn't just about my son, it's about you too. If you lose this trial, your so-called legendary undefeated champion title will be seen as a fraud.
Actually, you'll be the one embarrassed. Defense counsel, do you challenge this evidence?
Absolutely. In fact, this evidence is invalid.
The video is right here. How can it be invalid? You're triggering it.
Julian Zhou is just muddying the waters here.
Order. Defense counsel, state your challenge.
Your Honor, I asked to play this video backward. Granted. Observe the man and woman in this video. They may resemble my clients, Mr. Hunter Shen and Ms. Mia Chen. But that doesn't conclusively prove it's them.
Are you blind? That's clearly them in the video! You're twisting the truth!
Unrelated people, please be quiet.
Many people look alike. The real question is, who can prove? The individuals in this video are indeed my clients. Exactly. The person who filmed it could prove it. But where is that person? Why was such crucial evidence only presented now? This leads me to reasonably suspect this so-called evidence might be staged, using lookalikes to impersonate my clients by the plaintiff. Naturally, this is just speculation, not proof. But this possibility can't be ruled out yet.
Plaintiff's counsel, do you have new evidence for the court?
What more evidence could there be? You've already lost this case.
No.
Very well. This court now renders its verdict.
Your Honor, a witness requests to testify. Your Honor, a witness has requested to testify in court.
Mission granted.
Zhou Yang, it's you!
Mr. Arthur Yang, do you admit the video on this USB drive was filmed by you? Yes. When did you film this? Do you know who's in the video?
I filmed it 3 months ago. The woman in the video is today's plaintiff, Mia Chen and defendant, Hunter Shen of the Shen family.
How can you be sure it's them? Because I saw it with my own eyes. Dr. Yang, thank you.
Since you had such crucial evidence, why didn't you present it earlier?
Lately, I saw Attorney Chen calling many witnesses. I thought that should be enough to win the case. But I never expected it to be this difficult. So I finally dared to secretly bring this video forward.
Why secretly?
I'm a doctor. Many people know me. I'm about to get married. I worried if people found out I filmed it. They'd think I'm a pervert who spies on people day and night. I also know filming others secretly violates their privacy rights. That's why I hesitated.
Then why come forward now?
Though I'm a doctor, first and foremost I'm human. As a doctor, I might abandon my principles for reputation and status, but as a human, I still possess basic conscience and responsibility. After watching these courtroom sessions, it's clear Mia Chen was raped. Yet she refuses to give in, fighting bravely. As a man, if I abandon basic morality just to protect my honor, then I'm not a man. I know, Your Honor, some might misunderstand my testimony today. I might even lose my fiancée over this. But it doesn't matter, because at the very least I trust my own conscience. Won't get blamed.
Lawyer for the defense, any further questions?
Your Honor, no more questions.
After 2 hearings, the court rules as follows. Defendant Hunter Shen committed rape. Guilty.
Mia, we won!
Why was my son convicted of rape? That slut did it willingly! How dare they?
Order. Defendant Hunter Shen is sentenced to 5 years in prison and must pay Mia Chen $100,000 for emotional distress. Effective immediately. Should the defendant wish to appeal, submit an application to this court or a higher court. Court adjourned.
John! Save me! John! Don't take my son! Let him go! Release my son! Let him go!
We won! It's over now!
Miss Chen, congratulations.
Zhou Yang, thank you very much.
Robert. Good job. Congrats. Thanks, Julian. Never thought Joe the Invincible would lose, but honestly, I'm happy I lost this time. Mia, you're one tough young woman. I respect that.
Thank you, Mr. Zhou.